Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving deep into an absolute monster, the Alienware 18 Area-51 gaming laptop. Right pointing finger emoji. Before diving in, make sure to check the link in the description below to grab this beast at the best discounted price available today. Trust me, this deal won't last long. Fire emoji, beast specs breakdown. Desktop computer emoji, 18XK 2.5K display. 300Hz refresh rate, insanely smooth visuals for pro-level gaming. Massive 18 panel with 2.5K resolution brings out every pixel in glorious detail. Gear emoji, Intel Ultra 9275HX, up to 5.4 GHz, the fastest mobile processor Intel's ever made. Built for hardcore multitasking, streaming, and 4K/8K rendering on the go. Video game emoji, NVIDIA RTX 5080 laptop GPU, dominate every game with ray tracing and DLSS 4.0. Delivers desktop-level performance in AAA titles and AI-powered applications. Floppy disk emoji, 32GB DDR5 RAM plus 1TB SSD, Gen 4, lightning-fast load times, seamless multitasking, and room for your entire game plus content library. Future-proof RAM for demanding software and games. Antenna with bars emoji, Wi-Fi 7 plus 4K ready plus Alien FX RGB lighting. Ultra-fast wireless for lag-free online gaming. Bold RGB design that screams performance. Fully 4K capable for external displays or native content creation. Bullseye emoji, real-world performance benchmarks. Call of Duty, Warzone at Ultra 2.5K. 160 plus FPS. Cyberpunk 2077 at RT Ultra, 90 to 100 FPS. Adobe After Effects, 4K project, renders in half the time of older rigs. Blender rendering, GPU plus CPU, desktop grade results from a portable body. Briefcase emoji, who's this laptop for? Video game emoji, hardcore gamers who want pro-level performance everywhere. Movie camera emoji, YouTubers, streamers, and editors who need real-time rendering. Graduation cap emoji, engineering/3D students using CAD, Unreal Engine, or AI tools. Engineer emoji, power users who want a premium experience without building a custom PC. Thumbs up emoji, pros. White check mark emoji, massive 18 inches 300Hz screen, pure immersion. White check mark emoji, one of the most powerful mobile CPUs plus GPUs in 2025. White check mark emoji, future ready with DDR5, Wi-Fi 7, and 4K capabilities. White check mark emoji, killer Alienware thermal system. White check mark emoji, premium RGB design and build quality. Thumbs down emoji, cons. Cross mark emoji, bulky and heavy, not built for casual travel. Cross mark emoji, premium pricing, but worth every penny for power users. Brain emoji, final verdict. The Alienware 18 Area-51 gaming laptop is a true no-compromise solution for gamers and creators who want desktop-level performance in a portable machine. With RTX 5080 graphics, an Ultra 9 processor, and that massive 18 300Hz display, this is the ultimate gaming laptop of 2025. Right pointing finger emoji. Click the link in the description now to grab this elite machine at the best available price before it sells out.